If Wave accounting is not connecting to your bank, that means your transactions will not sync and your financial data will stay outdated. Let's fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. I mean, if your network is weak or dropping, bank connection will fail instantly. Next, refresh the page and try connecting again. Sometimes the issue is just a temporary loading glitch. Now double check your bank login details. Incorrect username or password is one of the most common reasons for connection failure. Next, turn off any VPN or proxy. Banks often block connections from unusual locations for security reasons. Now try connecting your bank using an incognito window. This helps bypass extension and cache-related issues. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted session data can break bank authentication. Now, disable all browser extensions temporarily. Ad blockers or security extensions can interfere with bank connection scripts. Next, check if your bank itself is working properly. Sometimes the issue is on the bank side, not Wave accounting. Now, remove the bank connection inside Wave accounting and reconnect it again. This resets the authentication session and fixes many sync issues. Next, make sure your browser is updated. Outdated browsers can fail secure banking connections. Now, try connecting your bank from another device or browser. This helps confirm if the issue is device specific. If nothing works, contact support. There may be an account level or integration issue only they can fix. And that's it. One of these fixes should solve bank connection issues in Wave accounting and restore your transaction syncing.